blows too much.
Your hair blows too much?
Yeah.
Huh. And that's why you take the clippies out of your hair? Every day you get clippies in your hair, and every day you take the clippies out. We were here with cousins the other day working. We brought scooters. We said we'd go scooting after school. So I got your helmet, I got your scooter.
And Grandma and Grandpa.
They were here as well. Would you like to have a snack first?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do.
Put the clippies in my pocket. Do that.
Yours is back there.
My scooter, yeah, my scooter's back there. Alright. Get. What are we doing?
I have my helmet on, but I'm going to go scooting. I have
Yeah.
my helmet on, but I'm going to go scooting.
Banana?
Yep.
Oh no, I didn't bring a knife. No fear, we keep a knife because our van has utility. I took all the plates out though. That was silly. I should not have taken the plates out. Would you like a cracker with cheese too?
No, that is for you.
Then I'll peel the banana. Do you have to go potty? Okay, because we have a toilet in the van because our van has utility. My theme. We should clean the surface up first. Of course we have surface cleaner because our van had... If the refrigerator was here, I'd have a seat. But I took the fridge out because I needed to move a bunch of big stuff the other day. And the fridge was in the way, so I removed it. But now I don't have a seat. I'm okay. I'll be okay. I like to crouch. Yeah. That's a super backlit scene anyway. You know what backlit means?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
I like to crouch too.
You like to crouch too? Do you think I can get you to have just a little bit of cracker? Is that good? A little more or no? Alright. We're gonna have to go home early for lunch. You did not eat much. Whoa! Make sure you look for cars! Make sure you look for cars! Help me catch up. I'm trying to catch up to you. It's pretty hard to do.
We are pretty far.
Go back to the van, you think?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll follow you. Make sure you look for cars! I seriously cannot catch up with her right now. Screw it! I didn't bump the van.
I'm going to go on the other one. You go on the other one, Daddy.
Okay, we can do it together. Whoa, not a lot of room. Whoa. Well, this might not be 3 6x. That'll hold me. What do you think? Am I too big?
Look at me.
I'm looking at you. I'm swinging with you. Look at me.
Look
Woo! Wee!
Follow that.
Playing at the park. This is a quick stop. I may have mentioned this before. This is just a quick stop. After school. I'm telling the camera. You want to tell the camera something? You can say whatever you want.
I want to say something to the camera.
All right. What do you want to say?
I love you.
I love you. Alright, last little bite. We do have to go home and eat some lunch.
Yeah.
Oh, we're late. Remember being late? It's inconsiderate. We want to be inconsiderate to Mom.
Was we?
Speaking of inconsiderate, don't talk with your mouth. Talk with your mouth full. We have a napkin? Yeah, we got napkins in the van. No problem. Alright, you ready to go forward? So we have to turn the other way. Imogen loves to drive when she can, and we're in a parking lot. So now we're going forward. It means we have to turn. I might have to help make it really fast. Wow! Oh, what are you doing? The windows instead? She can't actually drive yet. You're doing a good job, though. You watch someone's got to watch the wheel. We're going nuts. So we have to turn this way, to the right. Whoa!
And my room, and living room, and little plus, and Mom and Dad's bedroom. So, yeah, but see you later. See you in a couple minutes. See you. I love you.
What's that, Imogen? Is that your camera?
Yeah, that is.
Oh, nice. You're doing some video yourself?
Yeah.